Hey the YouTubers. Not long ago I did buy a Masterbuilt 30-inch electric smoker, and I'm trying out different things. I've been trying out chicken, I've been trying out beef, I've been trying out pulled pork, ribs, and today I'm going to be doing a standing rib roast. Now some people call this prime rib. The difference between a prime rib and a standing rib roast is just the grading that the US government gives on it, prime being the best quality of meats. So I'm doing a boneless one, and it's about 5 pounds, and I'm going to take you through the steps that I'm taking in my first try. Very experimental. So let's get to it. I've had the standing rib roast brining in a salt solution overnight. I'm going to take it out. We're going to place it some paper towels. We're going to get all the moisture off it. I will be coating it with a little bit of olive oil to use as a binding agent. And we're going to have it sit for about an hour to 2 hours to bring the roast up to room temperature. Because I had it brining in salt, I'm not going to add any additional salt. I'm just going to put some onion powder, some marjoram, some black pepper. I'm going light on the Creole seasoning, just for a little bit of color. I do put a little bit of tin foil down just to make easier cleanup. Same thing with the drip pan. And today I'm going to be using hickory smoking chips, and we're going to be putting this on 225 for a heat temperature. And it was a 5-pound standing rib roast, but the bone has been separated from it, and I took a lot of fat. So we're going to say it's a 4-pounder, and we're going to do about 20 to 25 minutes per pound. So it's 2.5 hours, so about a half hour per pound with the electric smoker here. I did get a lot of good smoke. It is time to take it out. And we're looking for an internal temperature of 125. I'm using a digital thermometer for that, right in the middle. And we are going to have it sit and rest for 30 minutes. Now that it's rested, I'm going to put it on the grill at a very high temperature. Just going to sear it on each side real quick. Give it a nice seared end to it. Maybe about 2 minutes on a very high temperature. Ready to start cutting. Just going to slice this down. So we have the prime rib. We're serving it with cornbread and some broccoli. We'll try a piece. So we're doing one of the end pieces here. Looks really good on the inside. So we'll get all the flavor of the herbs, seasonings. I'm gonna give that a big thumbs up. Good flavor all the way through. Smokiness, but the spices on top cooked all the way through evenly. I like cooking it this way. Standing rib roast in a smoker. You should try it.